Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite Amazon nursery finds I've purchased for my son's nursery. I had him 2 months ago and since then we have been using every inch of this space. I've been adding new pieces to it, really useful Amazon finds as well as really cute decor. So I want to share with you all of my favorite finds. I'll have everything linked down below in the description box so you guys can shop it as well. But if you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And I want to give a huge thank you to KiwiCo for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now we store most of his clothes in the dresser, but if you're someone that wants to hang up all the clothes in the closet and have all of the onesies and outfits organized, you definitely need these closet organizers. We have these hung up in the closet here and they separate all of his clothes by age. So when you're in a hurry to pick out an outfit, you can find all of the outfits that actually fit your child in that moment. So I love having these organized. It just makes your life a lot easier and it's such an easy addition that you can add to any closet. I think they come in different colors as well, but it's a super simple addition that's just made our nursery feel a lot more organized. Now every nursery needs blackout curtains and these looked really nice when we installed them. I love the way they brought the height of the space up. They have a ton of structure to them and look really elegant, but they've been incredibly useful for the nursery for obvious reasons. So these are an absolute must-have. They are available in so many different colors. This is, I think, natural, so it really looked nice with our wallpaper. I love the texture of the linen front. It has that blackout liner on the back, so they're really good for room darkening, and they have a memory pleat to them, so they really stay in this nice rippled textured look that adds a ton of softness to our space. I absolutely love the way they're hung. They also came with hooks and rings, so they're very easy to install if you already have your curtain rod up. They also have adjustable hooks, so if you don't hang your curtains to the absolute perfect length, it allows you to adjust it so you can bring your length up or down just depending on how they're hung. So that's very useful as well. It came in a pack of 2, so it's very affordable to do 2 windows like this. If you have larger windows and you want to use these curtains, I would recommend doubling up on your curtain panels and doing 2 panels on either side of your window to really give you a full luxurious look. But I think these look very high-end for such an affordable price. Now another great blackout solution is this door light blocker. These come in so many different cute animal types. I got the little bear, and this blocks all of the light, sound, and drafts that come from underneath your door. So if you're looking for a major blacked out space, this is definitely what you need. We have a bathroom with a skylight across from our nursery, so a lot of light comes through the hallway there and just shines underneath the nursery door. So just putting this outside of his door while he's having naps has been incredibly useful and completely blacks out his space. It also is just a little friendly reminder that he is napping in there, so it's just a little sign to not go inside, but it's really cute. It just hangs on your doorknob when you're not using it, stays off the floor, doesn't take up any space, and it's been super useful. So I think this would make such a clever gift, or if you're furnishing your own nursery, this is definitely a must-have as well. Now, I would say that a mobile is just the cherry on top finishing touch to your nursery, so it's definitely a must-have. Your baby will love it. Rowan absolutely loves to stare at the mobile. This is one of the first things I purchased for our space from Amazon. I looked for something similar on Etsy, something that had that handmade look to it, but they were double or triple the price. So I went to Amazon and found this, and it's absolutely perfect, and it was way more budget friendly. I love that it looks really handmade, really crafty. You can see the sewing stitching through it, and it just has a really lightweight, whimsical look. So there's so many different styles to choose from, but I really love this whole air balloon dreamy style. The one thing about this is it does not spin. So I added in a battery powered spinner from Amazon. Such a simple addition. It can just hook on to your mobile. So you can just hit the power button and it will gently spin your mobile and really bring it to life. This one also has a music setting, so you can play a little music while it's spinning as well, but that is optional, so you can turn it on or off. But it's just a gentle little spin so you don't have to move it yourself, and it is an absolute finishing touch to any crib. Now we've been getting a lot of use out of our change table here, but the one thing that's made it extra functional has been this one-handed wipe dispenser. This is very clever because you always have one hand on your baby, one hand searching for diapers and wipes and trying to do it all. So this has actually become very useful. It flips open. You can pull one wipe out at a time, and the entire dispenser is actually suctioned to the dresser. So it doesn't move, it doesn't shake, and you can really do it all with one hand, which makes it very useful when you're holding that diaper down. So if you are looking for something to make your change table very functional, you definitely need this dispenser. It's by Biome. They also come with the wipes that you can put inside, and they're all natural wipes, which makes me very happy. These come in different colors, and you can really suction it to any hard surface. So I love having this in different areas of the home. We have 2 of them right now, but this has been very useful. It also looks cute in the nursery, matches the decor, and it is such a clever find. Another great addition to this space has been this play mat. I like that it's very neutral, so it doesn't feel out of place in our room, but it's also very durable, wipeable, and comfortable. It's such a great size. I just fold it up and slip it right under the crib when we're not using it, but it's been the perfect place to play on the floor. We have a pretty large nursery here, and I really wanted it to be a space that we could play in, and this mat has made it so much more comfortable to spend tummy time and playing with all of his toys. So I just set out all of his new toys from his KiwiCo Panda Crate out on the play mat so he's ready to play after nap time. That's generally when he's the most excited about trying new things. The KiwiCo Panda Crate arrives every 2 months and really grows with your child. It goes from birth to age 3, and it's just filled with some incredible toys that are very age appropriate, so you know that your child is playing with things and exploring new items that they can really interact with well. Each crate is built with child development experts and real parents in mind, so you're really getting items that are perfect for their age group. He especially loves this panda because it's black and white, so he can really see those high contrast pieces and just loves the eyes of the panda. And we've been loving this block, this soft block. You can just pack it up, take it with you outside. We've been going on a lot of picnics, so he loves looking in the mirror. There's so many different features that he can really grow with here. This is the Panda Crate Plus, so it has 3 to 6 stage specific play items. It also has 1 large grow with me toy and a parent resource to development and play, which has been very useful for me because as a first-time mom, I'm still learning how all of this works, what he should be doing, how he should be playing, what he should be playing with. So we have both been loving it. I've been very excited to try out KiwiCo Panda Crate, especially because my sister's always used it with her kids. I've heard about it so many times, and now I see why it's very useful because he gets toys every 2 months and I just get a ton of peace of mind knowing that I don't have to do all this research into what he should be playing with, ordering new toys. So if you're a first-time mom like me or an expecting mom, or you know someone that's having a baby and you want to gift them something really nice and useful, definitely check out KiwiCo Panda Crate. You can get 20% off your first Panda Crate using my code Kristen. I'll have the link down below in the description box. It's kiwico.com/Kristen. Now, I would say an absolute must-have is the Nanit baby monitor. This is the Nanit floor stand, and we also have the screen that comes with it as well, which has been an incredible addition to the Nanit system. We love this. We actually have 2 of them around the house, 1 in our room and 1 in his room, so that no matter where he's napping or sleeping overnight, we can monitor him really easily. I like that it connects with an app. You can get notifications to your phone if he's moving, if he's crying. So they do have this in a wall-mounted version as well if you want something a little bit more permanent. So I would say the Nanit is definitely a must-have. Again, it would make such a great gift if you're gifting somebody something nice, or get it for yourself for your own nursery. It has been the best addition. Now, something I'm very proud of is his organized dresser drawers, and they're really only organized because of these drawer inserts. They're super easy to use. They slip right into your dresser. They come in different sizes, and the color of them just blends in with the interior color of the dresser. So they're very neutral, and just having everything compartmentalized makes it so much nicer to pick out outfits, get him dressed quickly, and put everything away really easily. So this is the little one that I use for socks, just a little square. They also have larger rectangles and long length pieces. So I like to just fold all of his clothes in a line, and it just creates a lot of organization. The pack comes in a set that can fill 6 dresser drawers. So really the entire dresser here is fully organized using these dividers, especially if you're someone that just likes to kind of shove clothes in the dresser. Even doing that with these drawer dividers keeps everything organized and just separated. So I highly recommend getting a set of these if you're trying to organize your nursery dresser or really any dresser around your home. They're super affordable and just makes the dresser look that much better. Now, a lot of the wall art around the room is actually from Amazon. These are all part of a gallery wall print set that you can just separate and use wherever you want. So I chose some prints for this gallery wall here that I just curated with other items, and then found this one that I wanted to just frame on its own because I think it really brings the theme together. But you can always find really cute wall art on Amazon, especially when you want to just frame them on your own. They just come in a little envelope with all of the prints already printed out, and you can frame them in whatever frames you like to create your own look. So it's such an easy, affordable way to get some really fun art up on your walls. Now, I would say some of my favorite decor around this space is actually these little animal needlepoint pieces. They came in a set of 4 in different animal types, different pattern backgrounds, and they just have such a handmade, beautiful look to them, really pretty detailing, and I think they just add this gorgeous texture and a lot of character to the space. So I have them dispersed around the room. We have a little bear, a fox, a deer, a little hedgehog, and I love the 3D effect that they give. So I found something similar on Etsy, again, for a lot more. Looked on Amazon and found this set and had to get it. So I love the way these look hung up on the wall, even just leaned against your shelving. It just adds a really interesting shape and a really playful touch. Now, every nursery needs something playful, something that sparks some imagination, and for us, it's this little mouse door. I just had to have this in this space, and it's such a fun touch to a nursery. So no matter the gender, no matter the theme, you can always install one of these. I love it. So it came as just a simple wood door, and I painted it to customize it with this space white and green. It comes with the gold hardware. It just looks really elegant. I feel like it really matches with our home style as well. It has like a very colonial architectural look to it. And then inside, I actually just mounted a photo that I printed from online. So it's just a whimsical garden. You could really put anything inside, and it creates this creative, playful feeling in your space. I love the way it looks lined up with all the doors here, and it's just such a fun touch for a nursery. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you a better idea on things that you might need for your nursery as well. Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite find from this video was. What's one thing that you definitely need for your nursery? And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!